Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to walk you through what we have for today. Basically, what I'm about to show you is cryptocurrency trading. The currency pair that you have to enter right now, the crypto pair that you have to enter right now, that way most likely 10x whatever you put in. So let's get into it, man. As I'm already sharing my screen, you see I'm already in FCM USD. Depending on the broker that you're trading with, I'm trading with Binance, so I'm on a Binance chart, as you can see right here. So what do we have here? But before I go into FTM USD, I want to show you two trades I'm already in, and they're already in profit. The first one is Sand USD. Let's go to Sand USD. I'm already in Sand USD. So you might ask, why did I enter this trade right now? The reason I entered the trade is very simple. What you have to do first when you start analyzing crypto trading is you need to do what is called top-down analysis. Top-down analysis. If you don't realize, some of you don't realize, but the market has shifted structure. Like we are kind of already in a very mini bullish trend. I'm not saying that this is a bullish market, but what we have been seeing, or what we have been seeing for the past weeks, is bullish structures. From this area up to this zone is a bullish up structure, then it corrected, then it's shifting back up to that same zone that you are saying. So that's the first thing I saw in this market, is that we are in some sort of a bullish structure, and this is the 4-hour time frame. If you know what I'm saying, 4-hour is stronger time frame. If you go to the daily time frame, like I'll be going to the daily time frame right now. For the past since October last year, we have been on a bullish trend. Okay, let me clear this up to make it a little bit clear for the people that it might look a little bit cloudy for them or something. Let's clean it up. Okay, so that's the first I noticed, that we are in a bullish trend, and when it got to this zone around 0.67% area, it corrected back into this zone. So when it corrected, how did I know that the market will start continuing to go up? It's simple. What it is a break of a structure. So when I'm in a break of a structure, what I'm talking about is, if you can notice, you see that there is a counter trend line that is coming down this way. And once it broke that counter trend line, and I notice another trend line that is forming, the second trend line that is forming, that is the second one. That is the second one. You understand? So when it push up, hold on. Let me get okay. When it pushed up and came down into that same structure and still going on, that's where I entered then. And now we are in a little bit of profit, and I should be getting off around this 0.67 cents. So this is actually a trade that you can still go into if you can wait for it to have a little bit of correction. You can go into the same trade, still fine. You still make a good amount of money from it. Like right now, you're still consolidating, though that I'm in profit, a little bit of profit, but it's still consolidating. You can still wait for a pullback into this trend line region. You can see what I'm showing you. I don't know if it's clear enough. Into this trend line region to buy again. And what you have to understand now is that the daily time frame is about to close. Let's go to the daily time frame. Let's make it a little bit bigger for you. You see, for the past couple of days, it has been green, and the daily time frame is about to close in an hour 23 minutes. In hour 23 minutes, the daily time frame will close, and if you can wait for it to pull back a little bit into this zone, you can buy, and let's ride it and go up and make a good amount of money. So the second trade that I am in right now is SUI USDT. Same thing. Oh, I'm sorry. It's not SUI USDT. Solana USDT. Same thing. We have been bouncing off this daily range, daily uptrend. What makes an uptrend, if you might ask? what makes an uptrend is a higher high and higher lows, and that's what it has been creating from this point upward, higher and higher lows. So what I did is simple. What I did was very, very simple. My analysis is always simple. If you follow me for way back there, know that my analysis is simple. And if you really want to see how trades are calling out, I have a Telegram channel that I just started. It's in the, it should be in the link in the description box down below. Click it and follow it. I'll be posting every trade that I am in and every setup. Just click the link and follow the link. So you something higher highs and higher lows. Instead of making the higher highs and higher lows, then I just have to draw my trend line. And once it bounced for the first touch, second touch, at this third touch is where I entered. Let's go to the 4 hours so you can see very clearly. At this third touch is where I entered. When it goes to this third touch, I needed a confirmation. A two confirmation, a break and a retest. A break and a retest and a bounce of a trend line. So where did it break? It broke this zone that you're seeing out. Once it broke that zone and it's back and it came back into that zone and started retesting that zone and the trend line, that's where I jumped in. And my target is at this final high. Very simple. So because this trade is already playing out, I'm about to show you another trade that I should be getting into today. Once the daily time frame closes, I should be getting into that trade. And that's where we get back to FCM USD. FCM USD is a beautiful trade. From what I've said in the past few minutes ago, it is something a higher high and a higher low is start to form. How do I make it clear for you people to see what I'm talking about? Because most of you don't know what is a higher high and higher lows. Let's get a circle. Put this in a drawing mode. Stay in a drawing mode. Okay, here it is. A higher high, a higher high, a higher low. I'm sorry. A higher low, and another higher low. It's forming. I don't know if you can see it. I think this is a little bit too big. Let me clean it up. It's a little too big. Yeah. Let's clean it up a little bit. Oh. So grams that had to measure. This is fair now. And the man, your friend, it's always BIG, yo. So since it's been bouncing off that trend line, bouncing off this zone, bounce off this zone, it's back to this zone again, it's bouncing and it break this area, this strong resistance area, and came back and retest line. It's bouncing up again. So it's simple. All I will do now is to enter this trade. If you want to be a little bit conservative, what you have to do is wait for it to pull back down into this area to enter. But for me, I'm a little bit of risk taker. I want to enter this zone because I know that my stop loss is way below the initial lower low, the initial higher lows. This is the initial higher lows. You understand what I'm saying? This is the initial higher lows. So my stop loss is just way below it because once it cracked that higher low, then I know I'm wrong. But I should be entering and once the daily time frame closes to take it all the way up here. I mean, come to think of it, I'm risking whatever I'm risking. I'm trying to gain at least these 1 to 3. So if I'm risking $1,000 in this trade, what it means is if I lose, I will lose $1,000 because it's 1 to 3. What it signifies is that if I win, I'll win $3,000. So this is how to actually like 10x whatever you have going on with your accounts. If you have a $10 account, if you're risking the whole $10, you're sure you're making $30 at least if it works out for you. So this is beautiful, man. This is the opportunity I would like everybody to actually take. Like I said before, my Telegram channel, I'll be calling out every single trade in my Telegram channel, and the link should be in the description box down below. Please follow the Telegram channel and not miss out on any trade I'm calling out. There are a whole lot of trades out here that you can actually follow, but I want to keep it short and simple because I know that most people's attention span is like very, very short. So let's leave it at 3. For the first sandbox, for the first one is Sandbox USDT. Second one is Solana USDT, and the third one is FCM. If you can still get an entry in the first two, to be very beautiful. And if you don't get an entry, the last one I'm showing you right now is perfect Phantom Theta. That's how to make a good amount of money this week or in next coming week to come, because this will actually take a week or two to play out. The way I'm saying it, because this is 4 hour time frame. Just get into it, man. Let's make some money, man. And thanks for watching. Just click the link in the description box below, man. Follow me, man. I think there's only a few people there, man. You can just follow, and I will share my trades in future. And love you all, man. Thanks, man.